I felt like I started the match really well. I went in confident, and you know, I had my home crowd, which was nice. But yeah, I feel like he picked it up in the second set, so I had to just like weather the storm, just stay in it, and yeah, just continue playing my game, and yeah, progress.
Yeah, I really played better in the second set. The first set I was super nervous. Main draw match, match for a point in ATP, so I was really nervous. He was definitely better than me today, but yeah, I'm happy that I could compete better and play better in the second set.